trust you. Being a CA myself, I am no stranger to the issues commonly faced by practicing CA firms. Jamku was developed in 2013 as a desktop software to solve our own office requirements. We then launched the cloud version and there is no looking back since then. Jamku has been instrumental in transforming the practice of 700 plus CA firms in India and 6 countries globally. It has been designed for small and medium practitioners and is scalable for large firms as well, having a team size of over 200. Now, why do we need a practice management solution? Can we not survive without a practice management solution? We can definitely survive, but growth is difficult. Using a practice management solution is no more a luxury. It is truly the need of the hour in order to grow and better organize your firm. It is just a matter of time when we see some or other software being used by every CA firm. Our visionary Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has time and again emphasized the need for digital transformation. The year has been a tough one for each one of us. We have felt the need for digitization like never before. Those who were well equipped and had the necessary IT infrastructure in place were unaffected. I remember the phase of April to June when we were totally clueless as to how the coming times will be and how the practice in these times will be. We are at the vanguard when it comes to adopting any new law and regulation, no matter how complex it is. We can be meticulous with hundreds of pages of law in a matter of few days, but somehow find it difficult to adopt new technology. Perhaps because it has never been our primary concern. Now, why Jamku? Out of the many practice management solutions available out there, why should you prefer us? I'll suggest you take a detailed demo of our software to know the answer why. Jamku is by the CA and for the CAs. We do not spill our cup. Each client is given undivided attention. Coming from the same fraternity, we understand your requirements better than others and deliver results that are consistent with your requirements. Now, over the next 2 minutes, let me take you through a quick tour of Jamku. So Jamku is a complete practice management solution where in the heart of Jamku is the decision support system. Each and every report that you see will help you to undertake some decision for your firm. These reports give you a bird's eye view of all the things happening in your firm. Calendar view will help you to keep track of all the important dates at your tab. Whenever any particular client visits your office, you need to know all information pertaining to that client at your fingertips in order to deliver him the best of your services. This is possible through Jamku. In today's time, it has become very critical to keep a tab of how many hours you spend for a particular client. And if you see an increasing trend, then it denotes to a renegotiation of the fees. Daily dashboard will give you all that knowledge which you need to know at the onset of the day. For instance, your employees' timesheets and attendance, digital signatures and licenses that are soon to expire, allocation of work between team members, what is the status of that work, whether it is in going, completed or finished stage. When it comes to managers and senior team members, they appreciate the stages feature of Jamku. Stages will help you to keep track of what things are pending to be done at your office and what work is pending to be done at the client level. Custom fields help you to track tasks based on your own requirements. Subtask is particularly designed for larger audit engagements such as statutory audits, internal audits. Excel's pivot functionality integrated right into Jamku helps you in ad hoc analytics. You will fall in love with this feature. When it comes to file management, we have options for not just storing physical documents but digital documents as well. You can track the changes in location of physical document. When it comes to digital document, you have two options. Either you can store the link of that document or you can directly store the document on our server. Jamku is the only practice management software in India which has app for all the platforms, be it Windows, Linux, Android, iPhone. Workflow module is something which managers will definitely fall in love with once they are aware of what this feature is. When it comes to Client Portal is something that will help you to improve the perceived value of your services in the eyes of your client. It thereby helps in improving productivity, and Client Portal, there is no additional charge for this feature in Jamco. Now, how to get started? You all are aware and Jamco will give you a demo. So basically, SIRC, which has had a glorious past and an undisputed future under the leadership of CA DC Jain sir, is giving us an amazing opportunity to transform our practices. Jamco license is available complimentary to all participants of 52nd Regional Conference of SIRC. For more details, you need to visit our website, which is listed on the screen. The first step after visiting our website will be to fill in the Google Forms mentioned there. Once we receive your entry, we'll create an account for you and our team will get in touch with you and you'll receive further email communication from our end. It's been my time. I'm CA Priya Madrecha, co-founder of Jamco. Thank you for your patience listening.
Thank you so much. That was a beautiful and very useful software it happens to be. Thank you for sponsoring this event too. Now we'll, without further ado, we'll go to the second session of the day.